Hey guys, Naturally Marked here. Today I want to talk to you guys about 4 ways you can use aloe vera plant to help with your hair growth or have extreme hair growth. And as you guys can see, my edges are growing back and they're just let me see. There you go. You see, my edges are growing back. My hairstyle has been up for a week, so that's why my hair looks a little disheveled. If you guys are wanting to know these 4 ways that you can use aloe vera without like actually watching a whole video on cutting up and everything like that, I can just tell you guys the 4 ways that you can use aloe vera for extreme hair growth. So if you're interested in this video, then just keep watching. So the first way is making it a leave-in conditioner. All of these ways I already have a video on them, so I will leave them down in the description box for you guys. But making it a leave-in conditioner, all you have to do is, if your hair is really dry or you are prone to dryness, make the aloe vera, and like I said, I will leave the videos down below, but make the aloe vera, the fresh aloe vera plant, a leave-in, and it will be really liquidy and really watery, and you can just wake up, spray your hair if you don't want to spray your hair with water, and just give your hair like that extra love or moisture that you need. Just wake up, spray your hair with a little of this aloe leave-in, and you will have to refrigerate it, because if you don't, it will spoil. So all of these, it needs to be refrigerated unless you add a preservative in it. I really don't like to add a preservative in it, and by the time I get done using all of the aloe vera plant from like what I make from my hair is all gone within either that first day or 2 days, so I don't need a preservative. But if your hair is not as long, it's not as thick, or if you're not really heavy-handed on products, then you don't need a preservative in your hair products. But do refrigerate all of these little steps. So you can make it a leave-in conditioner. Just spray your hair in the morning, at night, and spray it in the morning and at night as a leave-in conditioner. Or else, if you're styling your hair, you can spray it in as a leave-in conditioner. Or else, if you are in the shower, you get done washing your hair and you just want to seal your hair, you can also spray your leave-in conditioner in the shower before you style your hair. So that is the first way that you can use aloe vera plant. The second way is you can use it as an oil. So the way that you use it as an oil is just take whatever oil of your choice. It doesn't matter which oil you use. I love to use olive oil. You can store these 2 different ways. You can either cook it, like chop up your aloe vera plant, put your oil in a pot on the stove, and marinate the aloe vera plant into whatever oil is your choice. Or else you can put the aloe vera plant inside a mason jar and pour the oil on the top of it and store it for a month in a dark place. And that's another way that you can infuse aloe vera oil for your hair for extreme hair growth. And you guys, I've tried all of these ways that I'm telling you about, and they actually work, and I actually love them, and I do use aloe vera plant these ways. It actually works if you're more in a rush and just need to hurry up and get the oil in your hair and you don't want to wait for a month. Then you can absolutely just put it on a stove. I like the mason jar way better. I don't know, it had a little bit more like of the jelly feeling, the slippery slimy feeling. So I liked leaving it in a mason jar and storing it away for a month in a dark place and then using it later. That's just my choice and preference. So I mean, either way it goes, you can most definitely use it in either way. The third way that you can use the aloe vera plant for extra hair growth is using it as a gel. So instead of going to buy a store-bought gel, you can make your own gel, and your hair is going to love you and thank you for it. It has so much slip. Your hair will be left moisturized. It won't be left hard or crunchy. Your hair is going to thank you if you actually use an aloe vera leaf as gel. Once again, I do have all these videos, the way that I chop them up, down below, so that it is easier for you guys to just go to that video. But if you just didn't know about these ways, then this is just a really quick video to tell you about these little aloe vera secrets. So after you use it as a gel, style your hair any way that you want to style it, and you guys, it will be good to go. Now, is it going to give you extra hold? No, it's not going to give you hold. But if you style your hair, tie your hair rag on or your do-rag on, not your do-rag, your little silk satin scarf. Tie your hair down, and your hair will have a lot of moisture and it will lay down. Now, it's not going to give you like extreme hold like a store-bought gel, because it is natural and there's no preservatives in it, and it doesn't have a whole bunch of the chemicals and stuff that a lot of the store-bought gels have to give you that solid hold and that crunch. So if you have like a little bit more of, I don't want to say 4 type C or whatever, but if you're trying to get a hold and a curl or whatever, this may not be for you, but it will give you a light hold if you're trying to put your hair in a style like this, or just put your hair in a low bun if you don't want to use any type of gel on your hair because you're just wanting your hair to be a little bit more healthier. This, like laying your hair down like this, will be a way that you can use that gel. Fourth way that you can use aloe vera gel is not actually buying a plant. You can go to the store and buy the aloe vera juice in the medicine owl, and it's like in a purplish looking bottle. You can use that aloe vera juice as well if you don't feel like cutting up any plants, if you don't feel like getting a blender. If you don't have a blender, you do not have to worry about actually having to cut up a plant. You can just go to the store, buy aloe vera juice in the medicine owl. It's not in the refrigerator, but after you open it, it has to be refrigerated, so just to let you know. And it's just a really quick, simple way. If you're not into the DIY situation, you can absolutely go to the store and buy the aloe vera juice out of the medicine owl. Just use it as if it was water, pretty much. So if you want to moisturize your hair, just spray it on your hair, put it in a spray bottle and spray it on your hair, or else you can pour it on your hair, and it can be used as a sealant, and it works wonders, you guys. So these are the 4 ways that you can use aloe vera plant and the juice for extra hair growth, extra moisture. So if you guys really like this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave comments down below, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.